What is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here, and tonight we're going to run my 1998 Kirby Generation 5, and this is the second one I have, because I got another one at my house too. That is a G5. If you guys have not seen my how to change a bag on a Kirby video, I highly recommend you all to check it out. But in the meantime, let's get right into this video and get started. Oh, that sounds a lot better. Much better. Able to run a little better now. You got a fresh bag. Nice bright incandescent headlight. Eventually I'm going to try to get an LED light for this thing. Yeah, you're sounding a lot better now. Happier now with a new bag. This thing was real cranky with me. Okay, there's that. Oh yeah. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. Leave a like and a comment down below, and we'll see you next time. And before I go, I always want to remind you all, Jesus loves you, and have a wonderful day.